Fluent English practice.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Anna. I am a housewife. I live with my husband, David, and our 2 children, Lily and Tom. We live in a small and comfortable house in a quiet area. Every day is busy, but I feel happy when I take care of my family. I wake up at 6 in the morning. The house is very quiet. Everyone is still sleeping. I get out of bed slowly and walk to the kitchen. I open the curtains and let the morning light come in. The sky is soft blue and the air feels fresh. I can hear birds singing outside. I make myself a cup of hot tea. I hold the warm cup in my hands. It makes me feel calm and relaxed. I sit by the window and drink my tea slowly. Sometimes I think about my plans. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet moment. After my tea, I start making breakfast. I cook eggs, toast some bread, and cut fresh fruit. The kitchen smells nice and warm. At 7, my children wake up. Lily comes into the kitchen smiling. Tom follows her and rubs his eyes. They tell me about their dreams. I listen and smile. My husband joins us and drinks his coffee. We sit together, eat breakfast, talk, and laugh. These are my favorite moments. At 8, the children get ready for school. They put on their shoes and take their school bags. I check their lunch boxes to make sure everything is inside. My husband kisses me goodbye and leaves for work. I walk with the children to the door. I wave as they go. I watch them until I cannot see them anymore. When the house is quiet again, I start my housework. I wash the dishes, clean the table, and wipe the kitchen counter. Then I sweep the floor and water the plants. I love my plants. Some have flowers, and some are tall and green. They make the house feel alive. Around 9:30, I make the beds and open the windows. Fresh air comes inside. It feels very good. Next, I do the laundry. I put the clothes in the machine and press the start button. The sound of the machine is soft and steady. While waiting, I listen to music. Sometimes I sing quietly. It makes the work easier. At 11, I take the clean clothes outside. I hang them in the sun. The wind is gentle. The air smells clean. I stop for a moment and enjoy the sunlight on my face. Then I check the fridge. I make a shopping list. I write vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I add a small treat for my children. At 12 o'clock, I make lunch for myself. It is usually something simple, like soup or a sandwich. I sit at the table and read a book. The house is quiet. I can hear the clock ticking. It feels peaceful. After lunch, I take my bag and walk to the nearby store. On the way, I greet my neighbors. The store is small, but has everything I need. I choose fresh food and check the eggs carefully. At the counter, the cashier smiles and says, "Have a nice day." I smile back and say, "Thank you." When I return home, I put the groceries away. Then I start preparing dinner. I cut vegetables, cook rice, and prepare the meat. The kitchen smells wonderful. While food is cooking, I tidy the living room. At 4 o'clock, I hear the school bus. The children come home happy. They talk about their day. Lily shows me her homework. Tom tells me about his friends. Around 6 o'clock, my husband comes home. We eat dinner together. We talk and laugh. The house feels warm and full of love. After dinner, we clean the kitchen together. Sometimes we watch TV. Sometimes the children play games. At 8:30, the children get ready for bed. I read them a short story and kiss them good night. At 9 o'clock, I make a cup of tea for myself. I sit quietly and think about the day. Before sleeping, I check my plan for tomorrow. I go to bed feeling tired but happy. My day is busy, but my heart is full.